big, exciting design team unboxing. So I have been invited to be on the Cocoa Daisy design team. So excited. This is my first kit to play with and use in fun ways for our memory keeping. I have big plans because don't get me wrong, everything is so cute for like my memory planners again, or they have a new 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit, which is so fantastic, so I can continue on doing my scrapbooking as well. But we will see where the stories take us, and let me do an unboxing. This is the Silent Moon collection from Cocoa Daisy. The box is big, it's on my desk. So here are the contents. So right now they gave me to play with first the modern memory keeping kit. I have the stamp. They also sent me, and that little one's cute too. The colors in this kit are amazing. I already saw someone else's unboxing. The 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit. And then I have this one out of its plastic already, which is the memory keeping sticker kit, which I do believe is also new. Now, I was subscribed to the Cocoa Daisy kit for like 3 months last year. I do like 3 months and then I cancel, and I do 3 months and then I cancel, just to try things out for you guys. And I do love the product. So that's what it's so fun to be invited back to be on the design team, because so pretty. So pretty. Okay. So since I already have this out of the pack, so this and this are just the included whenever the kit. So you can already see the colors in this kit. And if you know me right now or see my phone case is literally like a royal blue purpley color like this. So it's so fun that it just matches. So these are always just included when you order your subscription kit. So the modern memory keeping kit came in like a cellophane bag. It comes with these. So everything has either January, and everything is based on the moon for this collection. So here's your January. Oh, so cute stickers. So like I said, this can definitely be used in my memory planner, which I totally plan to get back into because I do miss having that project. Love having the numbers. So if you have an undated one, it can be used. These are on white paper, so they're not clear. Great alpha. It's on navy, if you can see that. And then these are on clear, some quotes. Very pretty. Very pretty. Okay. Then the stamp, mine is, what do they call it? Like without the black glaze on it, to see the print. So it's a moon. This one says time to start fresh. There's like a little arrow here. A sprinkling of stars, a cascade of stars, 2024. Then this one says memories, January, favorites, captured, and then winter is the word there. And it comes in the 3x4 sleeves now. Then for the modern memory keeping kit, this one is kind of like your pocket page cards, okay? We have a pack of the Starwood veneer. There's a pack of die cuts. The enamel dots in such great blue and purple tones, if you can see that, and they're sparkly. Another stamp. So this one does have like the black outline for them. So it says January. There's a little bit of like a half circle flourish, a snowflake, one flower. This one says antisocial, season of new beginnings, 1 star, and then like a little slide film little moment. Really cute. And this did come with the band around it. That was what I just tossed in my trash bucket. So it does come banded together so they're not loose when you first buy them. So let me show you these. So I love that they have the January and the beginning cards, because since I am on the design team, I definitely see myself using these now on the opening pages in my project life. Trust the magic of new beginnings. Project your piece. Oh, so cute. Trust the process. Big old star. That's pretty. A little mixed media. I will never be a morning person, for the moon and I are far too much in love. Oh, so cute. Phew, that was close. I almost had to socialize. Be the moon and inspire people even when you're far from full. So cute. And in her starry shade of dim and solitary loneliness, I've learned the language of another world. You are the universe experiencing itself. Ugh, so pretty. Make choices that reflect your hopes, not your fears. Let go and let the universe give you what you need. Oh, that one's pretty too. Every phase of your life teaches you how to grow, how to heal, and how to deal. Oh, love that. Oh, love that too. A million dreams are keeping me awake. To-do list. Practice kindness, be thankful, breathe deeply, enjoy life, and love. She had the galaxy in her eyes, a universe in her mind. Oh, that one's pretty too. Introverts unite. We are here and comfortable. We want to go home. So cute. Clear your desk, tie your hair up, grab a coffee, and just start. Very beautiful illustrations. Flaunt every shade of yourself, just like the moon. Oh, that's the same as that sticker. Very cute. I'm not even going to pretend to say that word, but a peaceful state of mind comes upon waking from a pleasant dream. Oh, so pretty. Eat, enjoy, savor, cherish. My kitchen, my rules. Be you. Love it. 2024. Definitely have the new year. I have to see the trailer first. And then one just for journaling. Love it. So those are your 3x4 cards. Let me just push them aside for now so I can show you everything. We have a pack of foam phrases or titles. Oh, here are the 4x6 cards. So pretty. Time for new beginnings. Yes, definitely using that on the opening page. Oh, and there's the sticker. Yes, I am. Yeah, and I'm loving the colors. Look how beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Then also in this kit are longer stickers, some labels. We have some chipboard elements as well. I love that these match. Oh, and that matches the stamp. Very nice. The rub-ons. They have fantastic rub-ons too. So pretty. I'm using all of those. A nice bold navy or like blue alpha. And it's a puffy alpha. And then you get 2 of each. So a grid and a moon galaxy. And then this gorgeous galaxy and a speckled star. And then this gorgeous print, blue on blue, and the snowflakes in the back. So this one is the modern memory keeping set. Like I said, these come with your journaling cards, your project life cards. So that is one set to play with. And this is all in that one. See, and you get a lot in each kit. Let me put this one back, and then let's take out the scrapbooking collection that I'm super excited for. Actually, I'm just going to put everything in this so I don't lose anything. And this. Okay, this is the 12x12 scrapbooking kit. Once again, those star elements are repeated. The enamel dots are repeated. I wonder if the ephemeras are repeated too. It would be good to know. We have some tags, and it looks like there's a few. Hold on. Yep, January, a time to reflection. And oh, so pretty. We get a star washi tape, and it's like navy blue with a star pattern that's also like a light blue. Can you see that? Hold on, let's see if I can open this real quick. Okay, I opened the washi tape. So it's blue. It's like a blue with a light blue print on it, and you can see that it's like a repeating galaxy star moment. Very pretty as well. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, the foam thickers are also a repeat element. So far it seems like this, and this repeat up, and the chipboard. So if you are like me and you do kind of both memory keeping, great. If you just do project life, the elements are repeated in both. So that's fun. Oh, and these are too. So you get the repeated blue, navy, puffy alpha, the chipboard elements, the veneer stars, the foam title pieces, and the enamel dots are repeat elements in the modern memory keeping kit. We also get another sheet of stickers, a sheet of labels, the rub-ons, but I'm wondering, let me see if those rub-ons are the same or are they different. Let me see. Just so that you have all of your information so that you can make a decision. Okay, it's a little bit different. So you still get rub-ons, but the patterns are a little different. So that's exciting. Okay, I had that. I did that. Oh, and then we get the sheets again. So we do have the 6x8. 2 sheets of each, double-sided. So that's a repeat. And then these are the pages. Look how pretty. Okay, and you get 2 of these as well. It's good to know. So that's a repeating flourish and then a moon. Here is the blue on blue with that great snowflake. So they are these in essence, but bigger. So this one is that. Yep. Very cool. Very cool to have the option to have like both sizes, you know? Oh, so that one's a repeat too. And then that grid. So that's the same as a 6x8. Beautiful. Very pretty. Good standard B side. Oh, yes. Yes. And then the speckled stars. And then finally, this like watercolor moon, different colors. And a good stripe with all the colors too in the kit. So like the blues and the purples and everything. Okay, so excited. So I do believe I will let this be just the unboxing video. I will leave everything linked down below. So I have the 3 kits to play with. The Modern Memory Keeping sticker set, the Modern Memory Keeping set, and then the 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit. I will have each of those linked down below for you so that you know the differences in the kits in case one of these is inspiring to you. The colors are fantastic, and so be expecting some projects using these beautiful elements. So excited to be here and back on the Cocoa Daisy team. So fun. Really excited, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time and my projects with these kits, bye!